This tutorial review will show you how to get Snapchat streaks back. Open your Snapchat and tap on your profile at the top left corner. Tap on the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down and tap on I need help. Tap on contact us. And here select I lost my Snap streak. And select here how do I restore my Snap streak. Still need help? Tap on yes. And then you will get a form here. You have to fill up this form using valid information. So give here your Snapchat account username. Enter here your email address, which email address is associated with your Snapchat account. Enter here your mobile number. Mention your device name with device model. Give here your friend's Snapchat account username. When did you start having this issue? Mention the date in this format. The first part will be the date, second part will be the month, and the last part will be the year. How long was your Snap streak before it expired? Enter here the Snap streak number. Did you see the filter icon? Select no. And now write here a clear description about your problem. Then you have to submit the form. Once you submit it, you have to check your email address regularly because Snapchat will reply to your Gmail address with solution. So that's how you'll be able to get back your Snapchat streaks. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.